Hi, my name is Jasmina, and I'm a yoga teacher and teacher trainer with YYOGA. This segment is my absolute favorite. This is the peak pose of every yoga class. It's shah-VAHS-anna, or your final resting pose. And I'm going to take you through a guided corpse pose, or shah-VAHS-anna. And I will, before we start, just give you some options for setup. And sometimes what happens for students, and perhaps you can relate to this, is that lying on your back can be anxiety inducing. So I don't ever want you to feel like you need to lie on your back. You can lie on your side. You can also lie on your belly if that is more comfortable for you. And in some cases, if you need to sit, because that's the only way that relaxation and stillness will come, then by all means, give yourself that option, invite yourself to come into that position. So you can sit in a way that's comfortable. You can take yourself onto your side, and you might have a pillow underneath your head, or you'll lie on your belly, just like when you go for a massage. If you've ever had that privilege, you can take blocks so that your shoulders will rest on the blocks. I'll just show you. And if you don't have blocks, you might use pillows, couch cushions, the little ones that you can slide underneath your shoulders to support them. And when you lie down, you'll just turn your head to one side. So I'll just show you and I'll stop talking. That's an option also. And more traditional, of course, is just to simply lie on your back. If you need support underneath your knees, you'll use blocks to do that. And because you're at home, you have lots of room, so take up real estate and make yourself comfortable. I would say using a blanket is really nice, unless it's the middle of summer. If your house is really warm and you know you're not going to get cold. Otherwise, at least over your feet, it's nice to have a blanket, and you'll cover yourself up. I like blocks underneath my knees just to give myself a little bit of support. You'll figure that out for yourself. You'll lie down, palms face up, and you can let your shoulder blades come down your back a little bit. When you're lying here, your chest stays open. And if it's bright out, if you're practicing right now and the sun is shining and it's bright in your house, take a scarf or a shirt or a towel over your eyes, and you can block out the light. So I invite you to set yourself up. I'll just fold up this blanket while you lie yourself down. Make yourself comfortable. Take your blanket over your body. Stretch your legs apart. Arms can have space from the side of your body, and you can let your eyes close. And I will guide you through Savasana. So you'll hear my voice for most of it, and at some point I will stop talking for a brief moment. Stay in the pose. I will guide you out of the shape as well. So as you're here lying down or seated, or however you've positioned your physical body, let your eyes close and take a deep breath in. And open your mouth for an audible sigh, let it go. And you might do that a couple of times just to let all of the things that you've just accomplished, perhaps you're only practicing Savasana today, which is amazing. Take a few more breaths just like that. Your mind might be busy, and that's okay. Just let the thoughts come and invite the thoughts to drift on by. And get a sense here of your physical body on the floor. So allow all the parts of your body just to get heavier. Your feet, your legs, your pelvis, your upper back, your arms, your hands, and the back of your head. And with every exhale, allow yourself to ground more fully into this shape. You can bring your awareness to your breath as a way to focus yourself, to stay conscious and relaxed. Notice with every inhale how your chest or belly rise. And observe the fall of your belly and your chest with every breath out. With every inhale, your belly lifts, your chest lifts high. And with your exhale, let it drop, belly and chest towards the floor. Do that a few more times. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And again, inhale and exhale. As you're ready, take a nice deep breath in and a full, complete breath out. It will probably feel nice to wiggle your fingers and your toes. If you're lying on your back, roll your head a few times side to side, and any tension that's still lurking in your neck, you can let it go. Place your feet onto your mat, and with bent legs, come onto one side, right or left, whichever is more comfortable for you. And use your hands to press yourself up into a seated position. You can sit any way, cross-legged, or you might sit on your shins, hands on your thighs or in your lap, and just close your eyes just for a moment. And just observe how you feel now. And your shah-VAHS-anna can be 10 minutes, 15 minutes long, or 2 minutes, whatever you have time for. And it gives the nervous system an opportunity to really shift into the relaxation response, which is so therapeutic for all of us in this modern world. Thank you for watching. My name is Jasmina. I'm a yoga teacher and teacher trainer with YYOGA.